How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, camera news is quite busy today. Both DJI and GoPro are going to be releasing new cameras in September. A new Hero being released in September is nothing new, but this is new, the new Hero Mini. This new pint-sized action camera is said to be the successor of the Hero 10 Bones. But don't be confused, this isn't a replacement for the GoPro Session, this is only an in-between. But regardless of its ranking on the hierarchy, I'm very excited for this lightweight action camera. It looks rugged, waterproof, and very flexible for mounting options. But DJI refuses to be silent in September, they've got a release of their own. They've gone back to basics and made a new action camera just like the Osmo Action 1. We lightened up their promo poster to get a better look at this new camera, and there happens to be leaked footage on the internet that already depicts it. So just as GoPro has figured out they need to scale down, DJI goes in the opposite direction and scales right back up. DJI has been bolstering that they have Hasselblad technology in this new camera. And they've been trying to get away with the stigma of just being a drone manufacturing company, and now they want to be a technology company instead. With their wide array of mics, cameras, and drones, they're well on their way to that transformation. This is definitely going to be a September to remember. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.